Eager to create your own online presence, but unsure where to begin? Let's start with the basics in Adobe Dreamweaver. Building a simple website from the ground up. First, open Dreamweaver, go to File, then New. In the New Document window, select HTML None and click Create. You're now in the Dreamweaver Workspace. This is where the code magic happens. Dreamweaver features a split view. See the code and how your website will look when you're done. The design view is your visual editor, while what the final website will present. Your code view shows the underlying language instructing your website. Keep the split view to monitor our progress. Begin by adding your website title within the title greater than tags. This will be displayed in the Browser tab. Then, within the body section, add your visible content. Let's incorporate an H1 tag for a heading and follow it with a simple paragraph. Time for a preview. Save your file, and then in the top menu, click File, then Preview. In Browser, choose your browser. Your simple website is now live. Congratulations, you've built your first basic website with Dreamweaver. The possibilities are boundless now. Keep practicing.